In today's fast-paced world, maintaining focus is more crucial than ever. High performers know that their edge lies in their ability to concentrate deeply and consistently. Enter the Pomodoro Technique, your secret weapon for conquering to-do lists and reclaiming your time. This method involves breaking your work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Ready to level up your productivity game? Embrace this technique and watch as your efficiency soars and your stress levels plummet. From tomato timer to productivity powerhouse, here's the history of the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique isn't some ancient secret passed down through generations of monks. It was actually born in the late 1980s, the brainchild of then university student Francesco Cirillo. Feeling overwhelmed and unproductive, Cirillo turned to a simple kitchen timer shaped like a tomato, Pomodoro in Italian, to structure his study sessions. He started with 25-minute work sprints followed by short breaks. This simple system, to his surprise, worked wonders. Word spread, and soon the Pomodoro Technique became a global phenomenon, embraced by students, entrepreneurs, and Fortune 500 companies alike. Who knew a humble tomato could hold the key to unlocking peak productivity? The science of focus. Why does the Pomodoro Technique work? Our brains aren't wired for marathon work sessions. Long, uninterrupted periods of work can lead to mental fatigue, decreased productivity, and burnout. We thrive on rhythm and variation. Our minds need regular intervals of rest to maintain peak performance and creativity. The Pomodoro Technique taps into this natural rhythm by breaking down work into manageable chunks. Typically, it involves 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. This prevents mental fatigue and keeps our focus sharp. Short breaks allow us to recharge, making it easier to dive back into work with renewed energy. Think of your attention span like a muscle. Just as muscles need rest and recovery after intense exercise, our brains need breaks to function optimally. Short bursts of intense focus, like those in the Pomodoro Technique, are like weightlifting for your brain, strengthening your ability to concentrate over time. Each session builds your mental stamina. The regular breaks are equally important, allowing your mind to rest and recharge, preventing burnout. These breaks can be used for stretching, meditating, or simply stepping away from your desk. The Pomodoro Technique also leverages the power of Parkinson's law, which states that work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. By setting a timer, you create a sense of urgency. Motivating you to work more efficiently and eliminate distractions. This helps you stay on task and make the most of your work sessions. Over time, using the Pomodoro Technique can lead to improved productivity, better time management, and a greater sense of accomplishment. It helps you break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. By incorporating this technique into your daily routine, you can create a balanced workflow that maximizes efficiency and minimizes stress. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple yet powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. Here's a step-by-step guide on implementing the system. This method is designed to help you maximize your productivity and maintain focus throughout your workday. Ready to unleash your inner productivity ninja? Let's dive into the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method that can transform the way you work. Here's the Pomodoro Technique broken down into bite-sized steps. 1. Choose your task. Identify your target. It could be anything from writing a report to studying for an exam. Big or small, any task can benefit from the Pomodoro approach. The key is to break your work into manageable chunks. 2. Set your timer for 25 minutes. This is known as 1 Pomodoro. It's a short, focused burst of work. This is your dedicated work sprint. During this time, you should be fully immersed in your task. Eliminate all distractions and focus solely on the task at hand. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and put your phone away. 3. Work until the timer rings. Stay committed to your task and avoid any interruptions. Resist the urge to multitask or check your notifications. This period is all about single tasking and deep focus. Stay laser focused on your goal. The more you concentrate, the more productive you'll be. 4. Take a short break, 5 minutes. This is crucial for maintaining your energy and focus. Step away from your work. Give your mind a chance to rest and recharge. Stretch, move around, grab a drink, or simply clear your head. These activities help refresh your mind and body. 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 times. Each cycle helps you make significant progress on your tasks. Congratulations, you've completed 1 Pomodoro cycle. Celebrate your progress and get ready for the next phase. 6. Take a longer break, 15 to 20 minutes. This extended break is essential for preventing burnout. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a more substantial break. Use this time to relax and rejuvenate. This allows your brain to fully recharge before diving back in. With the Pomodoro Technique, you can maintain high levels of productivity and focus throughout your day. Want some real-world examples of professionals conquering time? Don't just take my word for it. Countless professionals across various fields swear by the Pomodoro Technique. Writers struggling with writer's block? Pomodoro can help you power through those words and conquer your writing goals. Entrepreneurs juggling a million tasks at once? Pomodoro provides structure and focus, helping you prioritize and conquer your to-do list. Students facing a mountain of homework? Pomodoro can transform those study sessions from tedious to manageable. The beauty of the Pomodoro Technique lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a framework you can customize to suit your unique needs and working style. How to banish burnout. Tips for sustainable productivity. The Pomodoro Technique isn't about pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion. It's about working smarter, not harder. Here are some tips to maximize your Pomodoro experience and prevent burnout. Embrace the breaks. Don't skip them. Your brain needs those moments of rest to recharge and refocus. Minimize distractions. Silence your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and create a dedicated workspace free from interruptions. Listen to your body. If you're feeling burnt out, it's okay to adjust the timer or take an extra break. The Pomodoro Technique is a guide, not a dictator. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and engaged. Ready to experience the transformative power of the Pomodoro Technique? You don't need any fancy apps or gadgets, just a simple timer and the willingness to try something new. Choose a task. Pick one thing you want to accomplish today. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus solely on that task until the timer goes off. Take a 5-minute break. Stretch, walk around, or simply relax. Repeat. See how much you can accomplish in just a few Pomodoro cycles. Remember, the Pomodoro Technique is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself, experiment, and find what works best for you. Key takeaways for peak performance. The Pomodoro Technique is more than just a time management hack. It's a powerful tool for boosting focus. By breaking down work into manageable chunks, you train your brain to concentrate more effectively, reducing overwhelm. The structured approach helps you prioritize tasks and conquer even the most daunting to-do lists. Preventing burnout, regular breaks prevent mental fatigue and promote sustainable productivity. Give it a try. You might just be surprised at what you can achieve with a simple timer and a little bit of focus.